Alright, meron tayong good news. Ngayong umaga ay meron ng total and complete ceasefire sa pagitan ng Israel at Iran. Ito yung binalita ni President Donald Trump. Sana ay tuloy-tuloy na para sa ganun ay wala nang iba pang madamay, lalong-lalo ng ating mga OFW abroad. Dahil dito ay good development dito sa sinabi ni Donald Trump na on the assumption that everything works as it should, which it will, I would like to congratulate both countries, Israel and Iran, on having the stamina, courage, and intelligence to end what should be called the 12th day of war. Sabi ni Donald Trump, yan po yung bagong balita na sana naman ay tuloy-tuloy na dahil tayo po ay nag-aalala na masyado sa lumalalang tensyon dyan sa Middle East. Dahil nga alam naman natin na ang Middle East ang isa sa pinakamaraming mga kababayan natin OFW abroad na nagtatrabaho dyan. Okay? Sana magdasal po tayo na meron na po yung magiging end na ang pagitan ng Iran at Israel para wala nang madamay pa. So magbasa nga tayo dito sa breaking news ng GMA. Ang sabi naman dito ay total and complete ceasefire between Iran and Israel. Ayan. It should be fully agreed by between Israel and Iran that there will be a complete and total ceasefire. Kung basahin po natin ang kanyang ang tweet dito ni Donald Trump, congratulations everyone, it has been fully agreed in between Iran and Israel that will be complete in total ceasefire in approximately, sabi nga dito, approximately 6 hours from now, when Israel and Iran have put down complete their in progress final mission. Ayan, for 12 hours. Yan, merong oras, di ba? At which point, ang liit, lakihan ko nga para mabasa natin. Ang sabi niya dito, for 12 hours, at which point, ayan, at which point, Iran, the war will be considered ended officially. Tama ba? Officially, Iran will start a ceasefire and open the 12 hours. Ayan, witang medyo na ang liit. basta ang mahalaga ay nagkaroon na po ng ceasefire agreement between Israel and Iran. Ayan. At ang sinasabi dito ay congratulations. Sabi niya dito, God bless Iran, God bless Middle East, God bless United States, ayan, God bless America, ayan, God bless Israel. This war could be gone for years and it destroyed the entire Middle East. Ayan, okay? So, salamat at meron ng good news. Yan, good news ang aga-aga. Okay? Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!